Hiding? Santa Claus got a present for you.
Yeah, let's go look at it.
Ready? Come on, you can come out.
Let's go see. Is it a present or did Santa bring a present?
Okay, so let's see.
You got a present?
Is that a present? Who's it from? You want to open it? Oh.
Are you excited?
What is it? What is it, Taylor?
Look what Santa got you. It's an early present. Are you excited? Look, there's one more. Look. The
Is there
tree.
another one under there?
The tree.
Is there another present under that tree? Oh. What is it? What is it? What is it? What? Let me see. What is that? Santa brought you chips?